Welcome to the Autoverse, your go-to channel for the latest and most authentic information on all things automotive. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic trucks of the 1990s, the Peterbilt 359. The Peterbilt 359 was a symbol of durability and style during its production years, and it remains a favorite among truck enthusiasts even today. Manufactured from the 1960s through the 1980s, the 359 continued into the early 1990s, offering a blend of classic looks and modern technology. With its long, sleek hood, round headlights, and chrome accents, the 359 exudes a distinct retro appeal that stands out on the road. This truck was designed for heavy-duty performance while maintaining an air of elegance with its polished exterior. Under the hood, the Peterbilt 359 was equipped with several engine options depending on the configuration. The most common engine found in the 1990s models was the Cummins NT8 885, a turbocharged 14-liter engine producing 404 Van Zima 500 horsepower and around 1650 lb-ff torque. This engine, coupled with its 13-speed manual transmission, allowed the 359 to handle long hauls and tough jobs, making it a trusted choice for fleet owners and owner-operators alike. Inside, the Peterbilt 359 was known for its spacious and comfortable cabin. The interior featured high-quality materials like leather seating and soft-touch surfaces. The driver's seat was adjustable for comfort, offering a smooth ride over long distances. The dashboard had a traditional layout with analog gauges, and the truck was equipped with amenities such as air conditioning, an AM/FM radio, and ample storage for tools and personal belongings. In terms of pricing, the Peterbilt 359's cost varied depending on the condition, mileage, and customization options. A well-maintained used 359 from the 1990s can range anywhere between $25,000 to $50,000, with higher prices for restored or fully upgraded models. Today, the Peterbilt 359 is cherished as a collector's item and is often seen in the hands of those who appreciate its legacy in trucking history. To sum up, the Peterbilt 359 from the 1990s remains a highly regarded truck known for its rugged reliability, stylish design, and powerful engine options. Its interior comfort and spaciousness made it ideal for long-distance hauling, and its performance continues to be admired by truck enthusiasts and drivers. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Peterbilt 399, be sure to hit the subscribe button on the Autoverse and stay tuned for more informative and up-to-date content on all your favorite vehicles.